Hi, my name is Benjamin. I'm with WeldingSupplyStore.biz. I'm here today to talk to you about Beveler USA's beveling machines. The UZ50 TRIUMPH bevels 60 millimeters to 2.4 inches. This machine is auto-fed and has a speed of 0.12 meters per minute or 4 feet per minute. This machine has a bevel angle of 15 degrees to 60 degrees. The machine comes with a 3D manipulator that allows you to move the machine forward and back, side to side, and to double bevel when it's turned over. This machine is ran by remote control. Let's see how it works. This machine is still the UZ50 TRIUMPH with the attachment, the UZ30, which allows you to process smaller pieces. This can be purchased separately or as a combination. The UZ50 TRIUMPH works well with mild steel, stainless steel, armor, and other hard materials. As you can see, the UZ50 is very useful in fabrication and welding industry. Please contact us today for more information.